Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to programmatically navigate from one scene to another scene in Godot Game Engine. So I'll just click on this create button to create a project. I'll just name it as demo. I'll just save it on my downloads. I'll just select this project, create it. So here I'll just create two basic scenes. So I'll just create our main scene to which we want to navigate. So 2D scene, I'll just name it as main, and here I'll just click on this plus button. I'll create a label, and here I'll just expand this, and here I'll just name it as main scene. Command S to save. I'll just increase the font size a little bit, font size 40. Okay, Command S to save. Then I'll create a new scene, and this will be the starting scene. So I'll create a 2D scene. I'll create one button. So on click of that button I want to navigate, so I'll just create one button. I'll just expand this button a little bit. I'll just name it as navigate. I'll Command S to save. No 2D is fine. Then I'll just attach one script to this, and here is our button press signal. So I'll just attach the press signal to this, and on press off of the button we just want to navigate, right? So first we need to preload or load our main scene inside this particular node 2D scene. So you can just use const main equal to preload, and here we want the main scene. And now to navigate, all we need to do is get underscore tree dot change scene to packed. Just type it main. Command S to save, run your application. Here we will be selecting the node 2D as the main scene, right? So here you can see our button navigate, and here you can see I'm navigated to the main scene. So yeah, that's how you can navigate from one scene to another in Godot Game Engine. Thank you for watching. Bye.